So as always, I am starting from my eyebrow. I'm applying concealer on my eyelids. I'm taking these two shades from my eyeshadow palette and applying inner corner and outer corner of my eyes. And blend the both with my eyeshadow brush. I'm taking this transition shade for my crease line area and applying with my pointed tip eyeshadow brush. Blend both the shade carefully so that it would not look like they are separates. I'm taking this golden shade and apply it on my eyelid area. First I apply it with my brush and secondly I fix it with my fingers. And then blend the eye shade and shimmer shade together so that it would not look separate as always. Here I am doing my another eye. Hey guys, if this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm applying shade on my lower lash line with the help of my fine tip eyeshadow brush. I'm taking these shades and applying on my lower lash line. I apply liner on off camera. Here I am blending my foundation. I'm applying concealer like this so that it gives lifting effect to my face. I also apply concealer on my nose and on my forehead so that it enhances the feature of my face. Here I am applying contour and blend it with my beauty blender. Here I am doing baking below where I use contour. I am applying my liquid brusher and blend it with blender. Here I am applying highlighter with my brush on bone of my cheeks and bone of my nose, and also I apply on my brow bone area. Here I am dusting out excess powder. As you can see, I am done with everything and also with my lipstick.